Hi, Esther here from polyestHer Designs. Happy New Year to all of you. It's been a while and I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how to make winter birds on branches. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take out the old design and replace it with our new winter birds design here. The one that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to use all of the same pieces, but we're going to make a vertical version of it instead. So let's get started. The materials you're going to need are the following: Scotch tape, an adhesive runner, and a pair of scissors. What you're going to find in your DIY kit are two birds with their feathers, or with their wings rather, and you're going to find these pieces, the branches. So it's going to be layered branches, and we're going to stack them on top of each other to give us that 3D shadow effect that you see here in this frame right here. So the first thing we're going to do is start with the white and the light blue. All you're going to need for this is some Scotch tape, because we're going to stick the blue, the background, and cover up the holes here, so it'll give us a sky effect. So let's just go ahead and get a little bit of Scotch tape. You could probably just put some on the edges, and I'm going to line it up and make sure that we don't have any of the holes peeking out. So here's one piece and here's another piece. You really don't need a whole lot of tape because it'll stay put just like that. And on top of here, let's go ahead and add the other branches, the lighter color branches, right on top, and it's going to give us the snowy, wintry effect. And to stick that on, what I did was, again, you don't need a whole lot of adhesive. I just ran adhesive down the main trunk of the tree, and it stayed on perfectly fine. So let's do that. Take your adhesive runner and just run it down the main trunk of the tree. And we're gonna stick that right on. What you can do is you can just line up the edges of the two pieces and stick it on right on top of each other. Just like that. And let's press down and reinforce that so it sticks together. And I had mentioned we're going to do a vertical version. So in this one I have it going in this direction. Let's make this and turn it in this direction. So next, let's grab our bird, one of them, and take the wing and add a little bit of adhesive to it. Just use your adhesive runner, of course, or glue dots. If you want to use glue dots, that's totally fine. You can use adhesive of your choice. And let's grab this bird, and I'm going to put the wing. If you look closely at your bird when you get it, there's a little bit of an outline of where the wing should go, and you can go ahead and follow that and just glue it right on top. And I'm going to put a little bit more adhesive on the back of the bird so that we can have the bird stand on a branch. And you can choose any branch that you would like. I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one here, and I just stuck the bird right there. The next step now is to take your shadow box. We're almost done. Take the shadow box and of course remove the back side. Let's put that aside. And I have taken out the actual insert of the shadow box frame so that we can add our main branches here. Now when you get this piece, you'll notice that it's completely perforated all around, and there are sides here, the corners, that you're going to need your scissors for. Go ahead and take your scissors and just cut the corners, follow the line, perforated line, and cut tabs out just like that. And you're going to do that to all 4 corners. After you cut all 4 corners and create your tab, you're going to bend, and you don't need any glue for this either. You're just going to bend it in place so that we can insert it into our shadow box frame here. And as you can see, it's cut out so that it fits snug inside of the frame, just like that. Once you have that inside of your frame, you can flip it over and decide where, and remember this is the direction of our final product, figure out where you want your second bird to sit. And I think I'm going to put our second bird right here. So again, I'm going to attach the wings using the adhesive runner. And then I'm going to add a little bit of adhesive on the back of the bird here. And I'm going to place the bird, right here looks like a good place. Just like that. So I've placed the bird on a branch. And I'm going to insert this into our frame. Like so. Be careful of the glass and make sure that everything is held in place here. Okay. And once you have this part inside, we'll go ahead and take the cardinal on this piece here and put it right on top, just like this. And look at the back of your frame here. Make sure the hook part is properly placed. And we're just going to secure the back, just like that. And here we go. We're done. Your winter bird's work of art was put together just like that. How easy was that? And how cute is this? You can again decide if you want your branches to go vertical, sideways, horizontal, whatever direction, that's your choice. And if you want to put 2 birds, 1 bird, whatever you like, it's all good. So I hope you enjoyed this video of polyester designs, and I hope to connect with you on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Have a great day!